Hey dear, so let's start to review this new way of curling with these new rollers. So I made my own pattern, I had only 8 pieces, so I place here 4 and 4 at the back, and let's see a result. Actually, I have no idea. Yeah. It's difficult to remove them. By the way, very comfortable to sleep. I didn't... Oh, it's pretty nice. Very comfortable to sleep. They're pretty soft, and maybe I need to buy more, but the set was a little bit messy. Okay. No rush and careful removing. It's always a good rule. At least I need to say that they are holding very well, and if you have a short hair, when I had a short hair before, it was really difficult because when I was sleeping, foam rollers were slicing off, how to say right, but this one is really nice. It's really holding really good, you see, and it's easy to click. So they are really comfortable in this way. So I was just, how I was using them, I was just doing like with the foam rollers, you know. As you see, I'm just roll them like this. Okay. Some of them, by the way, very hard to open and close. No, close now, open. Oh, yeah. Okay, a little bit. And this one is more harshful. Okay, good. So what we have here, pretty nice curls. I'm not sure that we can do something vintage with that, but let's try to do some setting. These are very nice curls, by the way, look. It's really good. Also, by the way, I received such brush, like viral right now, and I need to say that I don't like what it's doing, because I'm using these brushes. You see, they are like they have more these things, I don't know how they are in English, sorry. And this one is making kind of hair smooth. So if you want to make a brush out vintage, you definitely can't use it. It won't be giving, look, it's not giving us it's not giving a fluffy hair, it's giving, you see, look, it's like smooth. And with this, you see the difference, like already the same. The vintage ones was the same as well. They doing a hair fluffy, then you can do a setting. This one good only if you have a straight hair and you want to brush it after washing, for example. By the way, I'm not brushing hair after washing, never, because when our hair is wet, it's really very sensitive and very easy broken very easy. So I'm firstly always drying my hair, and only after I'm brushing my hair. Never brush hair when it's wet. So this hair brush really good only for straight hair. not for setting at all, not for vintage setting, you can't use it. So I will use my Tangle Teaser kind of brush or a vintage brush for a setting, and let's try to do something with these ones. So I'm like always will be brush my hair. Okay, what we have here, let's try to take a look. Side parting like always, and then actually I need to say the waves is really nice, and look, even they create kind of wave. It's really good result, you know. I'm really happy with this ones. For example, when I will be traveling or something, it's really nice option to try this. Let me check. Where's my mirror? It's a really good one, friends. I really surprised because I didn't expect nothing good. Let's try my back. Oh my god, it's really creating a wave at the back as well. Look, it's already laying like it's necessary. To be honest, I really surprised because I thought I will be like trying all my skills to do something good from these things, but it's really nice, really nice. Okay, so I'm just doing my regular setting. It's maybe more or less fluffy. When I'm using a foam roller, it's more fluffy, but this one kind of, you know, this is kind of something middle between a bobby pins setting and foam roller setting, because it's really nice. My amazing English don't give me a lot of options to describe this result, but it's nice. Okay, so I'm just using, look at this, it's really good, right? So I'm just using a bobby pin, duck bill clip like always to fix here, and this part we need to like this. It's, oh, look. Look at this wave. I need to say, this is gorgeous. Look at that. It's even similar when you will use a curling iron or something to do. It's really similar to if you will use a curling iron or something, like more big wave, because on foam rollers they're like kind of little. Like always helping with my hand to make it smooth. So in the end of this fast try-on video, I need to say that these ones, curling worms or something, I don't know how to call them, they're really good, useful, and I need only 8 to do this hairstyle, this kind of hairstyle. It's really nice, and if you don't have a lot of place in your luggage when you're traveling or something, this will be like a really nice option to try. And yeah, I'm really excited and surprised about this. Always interesting to try something new. So hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe it will be, you will see such things in your local shop or something. If you still didn't bought foam rollers and need some option, this really nice. I bought them on AliExpress for €1 or something, or 2 maybe, like very cheap. So yeah, try them on. And if you want, actually, if your hair is natural and don't curl in nice, you can use them on the wet hair overnight or over day. If you need a hairstyle for evening, you can do this at morning. And I was using on the fresh washed hair. It have after washing hair, even it's dry, it have a lot of water inside, so it's really catch their shape very fast and easier. So like for my hair, but I have natural curly hair and it's blonde, so it's really easy to curl. And also you can use some setting sprays or something. So yeah, this yes, this no. Hope you enjoyed this fast, easy video. And yeah, let's check how it looks like. I think it's really good. Don't forget to follow me, don't forget to like this video, and also I had few more new things to try to curl a hair like this, something similar. So stay tuned, have a nice day, bye.